Is it time to buy or sell Uber stock? In this video, we are delving into Uber. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 4th of October, 2024, our system has classified Uber as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over these days, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of approximately 16.24% since we initially recommended purchasing Uber just 6 days ago. This equates to an average return of around 2.71% each day since being designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates significant volatility and risk for the subsequent trading day. Considering the latest developments, we find ourselves unable to predict the stock's next movement, as it could take either direction. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 15.1% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 10.72% to 15.1%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 27.4% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 7.96% and 39.87%. This corresponds to a price range of 79.47 to 120.76 after a year. Our latest daily update for Uber includes the headline, "A very strong day for Uber stock price on Friday." The Uber stock price gained 10.81% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, rising from $77.92 to $86.34. It has now gained for 7 consecutive days. It is uncommon for stocks to see such a streak, and brief declines should be anticipated. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.28%, with a low of $81.86 and a high of $87. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 13.98% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 41 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 55 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $4.72 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $87, while the lowest was $40.09. Currently, the price stands 0.76% or 66 cents below the 52-week high of $87, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Shares of Uber Technologies reached an all-time high today, supported by the perception that Tesla's recent unveiling of its Robotaxi does not present a significant threat to the ride-sharing giant. Analysts believe that Uber's strong network and solid market position will allow it to benefit from the expanding autonomous vehicle sector. Despite the competition, Uber is regarded as well-positioned for future growth, with projections suggesting a potential increase of 32% in stock value to $104 per share. In the short term, attention is drawn to the operational challenges the company faces, particularly in New York City, where reports indicate that drivers are being locked out of the app, resulting in lost earning opportunities. This situation could lead to logistical issues and driver dissatisfaction, potentially affecting service quality and customer satisfaction. Nevertheless, the long-term outlook remains optimistic as Uber is expected to leverage advancements in autonomous vehicles, which could reduce labor costs and enhance profit margins. These factors could significantly strengthen Uber's valuation and profitability, especially as the market for autonomous ride-sharing continues to grow. Investors are likely to remain focused on how effectively Uber navigates its current challenges while pursuing this transformative technology. Overall, the recent developments indicate a cautiously optimistic sentiment surrounding Uber's performance in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned Uber a buy grade while maintaining a hold action. On the same day, BMO Capital also rated Uber with an outperform grade and a hold action. On Wednesday, the 9th of October, 2024, Citigroup gave Uber a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 1st of October, 2024, Cowen & Company rated Uber as a buy with a hold action as well. Finally, on Friday, the 27th of September, 2024, Oppenheimer rated Uber with an outperform grade and a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Uber stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as buy. The following signals have been identified for Uber. The Uber stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, creating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is present, indicated by the short-term average being above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support from the levels at $77.16 and $73.76. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 5th, 2024, and so far it has risen by nearly 47.64%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 49 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. Meanwhile, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 43 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, however, provided a sell signal 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 33 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Uber. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $74.30 and $65.54. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Uber finds support just below today's level at $74.30. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $65.54 and $64.87. This stock is typically traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the stock moved $5.14, which is a change of 6.28% between its high and low. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.2%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Uber, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 31st of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 410 of a dollar. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Uber. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine your exit point. On the downside, Uber encounters its first support level at $74.30. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Uber from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 16th of September, 2024, Mahendra Raja Prashanth executed an insider sale of 2,838 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Mahendra Raja Prashanth also conducted an insider purchase of 2,838 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 16th of September, 2024, Mahendra Raja Prashanth sold 1,449 shares of common stock. On that day, Hazel Baker Gill made an insider purchase of 1,699 shares of common stock. Also on the 16th of September, 2024, Hazel Baker Gill sold 748 shares of common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 32.902. In total, insiders acquired 65,146 shares, while selling 131,378 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $83.37, representing a decrease of 3.44%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which contributes to a lower risk profile. However, the relative strength index over a 14-day period is 78, indicating a significant increase in risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 48 days ago. Is Uber stock a good buy? Uber exhibits several positive indicators, yet these alone do not qualify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning investors might consider it for holding or accumulating while awaiting further developments. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate stance since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and trading patterns from the previous day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 14th of October, we anticipate Uber to open lower by $1.27, starting at $85.07. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.